Hello guys, welcome to X-Tech. Today we have an unboxing video of Huawei Mate 20 Lite. Is that right? Yeah. And this phone I got just under 300 euros, something like that. And let's see what we have. So let's start with unboxing. Okay, so that is our phone. Let's come back to it later. Let's see what else we got inside the box. So here we got fast charger and a USB-C type cable and a pair of headphones. Not that good, but it's gonna work, I guess. So here we have a SIM injector tool and some paperwork and a screen protector. And where is our phone? Here it is. So as you can see, it's in black color. Nice looking phone, I got to say. So let's peel the sticker off of the back. Oh wait, look, let's power it up. Here is the phone fully set up, and this is the home screen. As you can see, let's check YouTube. Let's see sound quality and stuff.
They're just thinking they are stupid.
Sound quality is not that bad.
Well, the time is come.
You have one bottom firing speaker, not a surround sound, unfortunately, but it does its job. It's not that bad. So here you can see my new live wallpaper. So the app is called Wallap. So there you can find various types of live wallpapers. So here you can see it's in the Play Store for free. So if you guys are interested, you can download it from there. It looks pretty good. So if you like my video, please subscribe and like. Thanks. Bye.